In this video, we are going to talk about the best balance stepping stones for kids and a few balance exercises that you can do for your toddler or your a little bit older child to work on balance strategies and to improve their balance in a fun way. Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Baker, a pediatric physical therapist, and on this channel, we provide mini masterclasses for proactive parents and providers to help children resolve their movement blocks so that they can hit their milestones and move well with confidence and ease. Think of me as your pediatric physical therapy bestie, here to help you learn tips and tricks to help your children move better. In today's video, we are talking about balance stepping stones for kids and toddlers and how to utilize them, and specifically one brand of balance stepping stones that I'm obsessed with. Now, total transparency, this is a big moment for this YouTube channel. This is my first sponsored video. Otre was so kind to send me a free balance stepping stone kit for me to review, but please know that this whole video is going to be unbiased. I actually have already been using these stepping stones in a client's house and I have been in love with them. So it was just random coincidence and my good fortune that Otre reached out to me to send me this product. There are 5 reasons why I feel like this brand, specifically the Otre stepping stones and balance stones, are my absolute favorite and the one that I would recommend the most. As a mobile-based pediatric physical therapist, I've been wanting stepping stones so that I can bring them into my clients' houses, but I hadn't bought any because a lot of the options that are out there are so huge. They're like stacks this tall. They're great products, but they just take up a lot of space. So that is gonna be my number one reason why I'm obsessed, is that they are so compact. Wait for it. Everything breaks down in this little bag. Can you guys even believe that? I can just toss it in my back of my car if I want to bring it to a client's house, or I can toss it into my office closet, and it really doesn't take up that much space. When you're looking at balance step, how much space do they take up? Because there are options like the Otre version that do not take up a ton of space. My next reason that I adore these is they come in 2 different sizes. So you have the small size of the balance steps and you have the large size. So you can tell that they are clearly different sizes. And what I love is that if you are working with a kid who is really struggling with balance, you can choose to only use the larger version because they're gonna be able to put both of their feet more easily on one of these steps. So my feet easily get on the large step. When I go to the small step, and you guys will see this with real kids coming up, don't you worry, you can tell that the amount of space on here is less. And so my feet have to, instead of being just on the flat top surface, because there's less space on here, some of my foot is gonna be curved around the sides. That's gonna make it more challenging for a child. Now, you might only use the big ones. You might only use the small ones if you're looking to really challenge a kid, but most of the time I would say you're gonna use a combination of both of them in different orientations. They come with 3 small ones, 3 big ones. The third reason why I love these is they also come with a couple numbered spots. These are perfect if you want a child to stand anywhere. So you should see how many times in a therapy session I'm like throwing a dot on the floor and saying, go stand in red, or step on number 3. Anything to give a child context of where you want their body to specifically be in space. These dots are amazing, and it comes with them, so you don't even have to buy them separately. Perfect. I also love to combo the dots and the stepping stones together. Number 4 reason why I love these things is it comes with a pamphlet. So sometimes, maybe the reason why you're even finding this video is that you're like, okay, I know these are good for kids and developing balance strategy, but now what do I do? I'm not 100% sure. of like what exercises I could do with them. Well, this is gonna start you out. It has a bunch of really good ideas. You'll find great ideas and examples using real kids in this video today, but this is one thing that is gonna definitely get you started. The fifth and final reason why I feel like this kit is so fun is that they are branded. So you often see a lot of stepping stones, which are all great. I mean, honestly, if you have stepping stones at home, you can totally use all of the ideas in this video with them. But if you don't have any at home and you're looking for them, these are branded like turtle shells. I mean, how adorable is that? You can utilize these turtle shells in tons of different ways. You can stand on them, you can put them on your back, you can create a little bit of a spinning game. It comes with this fun little spinner. And honestly, even my kids who can't read or can't utilize the cards yet, love just spinning the spinner and then going to stand on whatever color, because the colors on here, except for the white ones, the colors all correspond with the actual colors of the stepping stones. So you can even create your own games utilizing the spinner. For older kids who can read, or if you want as a parent want to play the game that comes with it, you can read the cards off. So basically each card has a movement idea. So this one says turtle hop. Hop off your turtle shell onto another turtle shell. So that's basically gonna be you jumping from one turtle shell to the next. Now, if your child is younger than 2, you might need to pick them up and hop them, but they're still getting input with that. This one is really cute. This is great for a little break. Pretend you have a shell on your back and put both feet and both hands on the turtle you're standing on. So that's gonna make it harder on your balance. You could also honestly be in all fours and put that turtle on your back and work on trying to create that core control, because if you lean too much to one side, that turtle shell is gonna fall over. So there's just a million different ways that you can utilize the turtle theme for your kids to make it super fun. Let's make a big line. Do you want them to go long ways or short ways? Short ways, okay, we'll start there. All right, I want you to put a big one and then a little one. Okay, so which one goes next?
A blue one?
Yep, a blue big one can go next. Oop, over here. There we go. All right, now we need a little one. Which color little one do you want?
Red.
All right, there you go. Oh, on the other side. All right, and then a big one. So which big one do you have by you? What color is that?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, orange is gonna go next. On the other side of red. And we got yellow.
Okay.
Okay, and yellow could go on, yeah, let's go yellow down there so we have a little bit more room. All right, and then can you put these numbers in order? Can you put them 1, 2, 3?
Yes.
All right. Good, 1. Which one comes next? 2, good work. And what's the last one? What number is that?
3.
Are we gonna do 2 feet on each turtle or 1 foot on each turtle? Which one are we gonna start with?
2 feet.
2 feet, but once you get to number 1, I want you to jump 1, 2, and 3. All right, keep going, good work. Ooh, ooh, it's okay, good job. Good job. You got your balance, nice work. Ooh, that was a big step. That one was so good. Good job. Wow. Good job. Oh, it stuck to your foot. That was silly. Yeah, high five. And you can do the whole thing. You go, man. And then you can pick a color when you're done. I love your balancing. You are doing so good. Oh, yeah, get your balance. Good job. All right, you give those legs a break. I'm gonna show you. Let's go this way. Look. Jump, jump, jump. And then 1 foot on yellow, 1 foot on orange, 1 foot on red, 1 foot on blue, 1 foot on green, 1 foot on purple. Oh, you need snuggles. You know, that was me last night. I'm not even gonna lie. Good job. Big jump. Yeah, nice work. Oh, can we try from 2 to 1 with 2 feet jump? Can you try again? Yeah, big. I know they're a little sticky to your toes. I'll hold it down for you. Yeah, good job. Okay, now 1 foot on yellow. 1 foot on orange. Good work. Yeah, good job, good job. Start again. Nice work. Nice job. That was amazing. Go work. Go slow. High five. Nice work. And then you want to jump or do 1 foot. Awesome. Love it. Good work.
Can't do another.
That one was great. You gonna do more? You like the balance ones, right?
Yeah.
Jeez. Well, let's try it this way. This way will be like a little bit harder too, because they're nice and long. Oh, can you do that one for me? Oh, nice work. Now they're long turtles. Yeah, I love it. Can you do what?
Do numbers.
Yeah, you can do numbers.
And do 5 and 10.
Were you counting? 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3?
6, 7, 4.
4, yeah.
Can you get 4 out?
Oh, there is no 4. I'm sorry about that. That was good. Ooh, a little wobbly, and we're gonna try to jump down. You wanna show Spider-Man? You guys wanna do it together? You want the little one? Yup, that is so good. Okay, oh, you even added. That's fancy. Wow, high five. That one was so good. I'm gonna spin. Oh, we're gonna call that blue because there's not really a white one. Get that out of the way. I'm gonna choose blue and go. Your turn. Good wobbles. Nice work. Do you want to spin and pick a color? Green. Okay, where's the green turtle shell? Nice work. All right, can you jump off of it? Oh, you're standing so tall and strong. All right, ready, set, jump. Whoa, high five. Okay. Ooh.
That didn't hurt.
Oh, the high five? Well, that's good. I don't think we want high fives to hurt, do we?
No.
No. But was it just kind of strong?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. You got this. I know this is kind of hard. Oh, that was a big jump. Ooh, blue. High five. Double high five. Oh, those are super strong. Go. Okay, so the next time we spin, we're gonna find one, and this one's gonna be wild. We're gonna try to stand on one leg. 1, 2. Do you think you can try?
I'm gonna hold on to something.
Okay, would you like to hold on to my finger? Okay, good job. Lift one leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice work. You know, what if you just let go of my finger? What if you held here onto my hand, and then when you were super brave, you could just lift your hand off? Let's try. Can you lift your hand off? And then you can put it back on. Good work. That was amazing. All right, what about the other leg?
Okay.
Let's try it. Oh, good job. Do you need this hand? Okay, nice work. And then you lift it off. Wow. Okay, my turn's next. And for my turn, we're gonna do red. Okay, my turn, we're gonna do 1 foot on red. Okay, because I spun, so I get to choose. All right, you ready? You can use my hands if you need to, or if you don't need to, that's okay. Ooh, look at you. That was so good. Can we try the other leg? All right, let's do it. Yep, you can use my hands if you need to. Oh, good work. Good job. Oh, look how big you are. That was awesome, friend. High five. I'm so proud of you. All right, you get to spin. And that's a wrap, friends. Thank you so much for joining me and Otre to showcase all of their balance stepping stones and ways that we can utilize them to help children increase their opportunities to practice their balance, as well as to make sure they have a really great foundation for some of their more complex movement skills, and so that they can have strong little bodies on which they can build their sweet little lives. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I try to respond to questions as quickly as I can, and it is one of my favorite things to do on this channel. If you're looking for more in-depth information and you're really curious about other ways that you can help your child develop their balance skills, maybe even to the point where you're like, I don't know, these balance stepping stones might even be too difficult for my kid. What are ways that I can work on balance strategies that are maybe a little bit easier? Make sure that you check the pinned comment so that you can schedule a one-on-one online parent consultation with me. That way we can talk about the different things that your child is experiencing, as well as provide best next steps. If you are looking for more activities, specifically how to help your child throw and catch a ball, make sure you check this video out next. The trick to helping children catch a ball might actually surprise you.